Hello, my wonderful little movers. I'm so happy you're here today. This yoga time is all about moving our bodies, smiling big, and feeling calm inside. Grab your mat or find a comfy space. Take one slow breath in through your nose and gently blow it out through your mouth. Let's start our yoga adventure together. Bend your knees and sit back like you're about to sit on an invisible bench. Stretch your arms forward and keep your chest proud. Feel your legs getting strong and warm. Breathe in and breathe out. Step one foot forward. Open your arms wide, one reaching ahead and one reaching back. Turn your head and look forward like a calm hero. Now gently change sides and try again. Stand tall on one foot. Place your other foot anywhere on your leg except the knee. Bring your hands together, then stretch your branches up high. If you wobble, that's okay. Trees wobble too. Switch sides. Come down onto your hands and knees. Round your back like a sleepy cat. Now gently drop your belly and lift your head like a happy cow. Move slowly and enjoy the stretch. Step your feet wide apart. Stretch one arm forward and lower it toward your leg or the floor. Lift your other arm high like you're reaching for the clouds. Change sides and stretch again. Lean forward slightly and lift one leg behind you. Open your arms wide like flying wings. Find your balance and breathe. Switch legs when you're ready. Lower down and lift your hips to the side. Reach your top arm up and over your head. Feel your side body stretch and grow. Change sides slowly. Place your hands on the mat and lift your hips high. Your body looks like an upside-down mountain. Press your hands and feet down and take a deep breath. Relax your head. Lower onto your belly. Place your hands under your shoulders and gently lift your chest. Look forward proudly like a gentle snake warming in the sun. Lower back down slowly. Lie on your back and bend your knees. Press your feet into the mat and lift your hips up. Your body makes a strong bridge. Lower down with control. Step one foot forward and lower your back knee. Lift your arms high and open your chest. Feel brave and strong. Switch legs and repeat. Sit with your legs stretched forward. Lift your arms up, then gently fold over your legs. Relax your shoulders and neck. No rushing, slow is perfect. tall and cross one leg over the other. Twist your body gently to one side. Look over your shoulder and breathe. Switch sides. Lie on your back and pull your knees into your chest. Give yourself a gentle hug. Feel your breath move in your belly. Stand up again. Lift one foot behind you and reach back gently. Open your chest and focus your eyes. Change sides calmly. Stand tall, wrap one leg around the other and bring your arms together. Balance, breathe, and feel still inside. Sit down and lift your feet slightly. Lean back a little and lift your chest. Hold steady and breathe. Lower down gently. Lie on your back and lift your feet toward the sky. Hold your feet or ankles and rock side to side. Smile and relax. Scoot close to a wall if you can. Lift your legs up and rest your arms by your side. Close your eyes and let your body feel heavy and calm. You did an amazing job today. Your body moved, your breath slowed, and your mind feels calm. If you enjoyed this yoga adventure, you can tap like and join us again by subscribing. Take one last deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Smile big. I'll see you next time. Bye.